Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.
We therefore welcome the SMI Africa Council Nature on a Balance Sheet initiative. We support this initiative firmly. We appreciate its institutional investor-public partner approaches, which recognizes that by embedding nature on the balance sheet, we are making an ambitious statement. Africa's natural health is a key asset for both the continent and the world. We have 60% of arable land.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.